Colors Femina Miss India Tripura 2019, Jayanti Ryan. A graduation student who says her biggest achievement is being on this great stage today. She's also an animal lover who has been fascinated by how unconditional their love is.
Sini korang ngai jongnai joto lukorangno jotono sari kaham sing tini phaisok paika Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport Agartala wo
It's a very proud moment for Tripura again, so I am really happy. Ang belai no khushi tini and tini ang buphaijak mane tini after crowning ceremony ni pore Jayanti tini first Agartala phaisok pai dongo. You can see lots of people around here who has been waiting for her.
Tini angoro tini Jayanti ni angno lamsona pai mani.
Actually tini sing belai ke khaton khaja ke buku Jayanti ri angno sing yasak sungani oro airport sapai leka.
Belai ke hambai tini korang no actually omo tini simi ya omo bai to sing tamjani 3 years sing kahaya daba
Hambai jotono especially tini korang no hambai ma faro omo hai coverage kleman bagai awo light thangnai bisik thang romoi phaso ring kijak ma thangka aboni ulo mamita thangka tabu Jayanti rian thangka omo hai ke participant sini joyau na tong thang tuna nao
It's been an immense pleasure to be here. I would like to thank to all the people who have been here welcoming me, and this is my first time I'm representing my state Tripura in FBB Color Femina Miss India in a national platform, and thank you so much.